If you love open fire cooking, this is a Pitmaster's perspective on the Flamesmith G2. Over the past 10 years, cooking and competing with Shank Brothers BBQ, we've cooked on just about every style of barbecue imaginable. Gas, pellet, charcoal kettles, offset smokers, bullet smokers, cabinet smokers, open fire asados. We thought we'd seen it all. Then we experienced the Perilla epiphany, and that changed everything. The meat that came off those grills had the magic formula. It was caramelized, roasted, crispy on the outside, juicy in the center. The cooking experience wasn't hidden under any lid or inside a dark chamber. We got to see everything. The 3-year hunt for the perfect Argentinian style grill ended when we discovered the Flamesmith G2 Grill. This is a modern take on a Perilla grill designed and built to an insane level. It keeps everything that makes this traditional style of cooking so special. You got live fire, adjustable height, hands-on interaction. Every aspect of this grill has been built to be best in class. It's commercial level, stainless steel, and impeccable design. Right, let's talk about some features. The wheel adjuster, I love it. It's small, elegant, not like those Ferris wheel size ones that over-dominate everything. This is so butter smooth, allowing one-handed operation and requires no clumsy brake handle. The engineering inside this column to make it all work is just stunning. No wires, no worries for years of smooth operation. The variable rack system, man, this design inspires an endless configuration of cooking styles. I mean, every grill section can be mixed and matched across multiple heights using a super strong bar system. I even love sliding the grill sideways to quickly adjust heat. I mean, it just works. This grill platform is solid and secure. Now, speaking of grills, the V grills, man, they're built to survive World War III, and they are incredible to cook on, straight up. The interlocking fat catcher system, super robust, really practical. I mean, it's just everything you want. The round bar grills are beautifully thick. They allow loads of heat and airflow through. Have a look at this, the firebox. This is the engine room of the grill with incredible heat insulation due to seriously thick walls. Everything is controlled inside the firebox. This has been designed as a charcoal grill. There's no need for that old school braziero or log burner or that drop down front panel to shift coals. Since I've been cooking on this, I've found a lovely balance between using charcoal for heat with small kindling size ironbark wood for smoke and flavour. Well, that way I'm not smoking out my neighbours while retaining really good control. How good's this? Stainless steel windshield. The G2 is compact enough to be incredibly functional at home, even in a smaller outdoor space. That's what I really like about this grill. The exterior walls don't become dangerously hot, which is really comforting when, say, young children are in the area. It just works beautifully in a home situation. Having this handy stand and wheels means it's easy to move around. Cover's pretty good too when it's outside. So when it comes to the cooking experience, what makes this grill different isn't just flavour, it's the experience. With American low and slow, there's a saying, if you're looking, you ain't cooking. Now this is the opposite. You are looking, you're adjusting, you're managing fire. It's just so visual, it's tactile, it's engaging. I just love the fire interaction. Who's this grill for? Well, I think it's for people who love the magic of open fire cooking. It's for cooks who want ultimate and endless control. People who want flavour driven by technique, not technology, and who want to be part of that process. It's a showstopper, let's face it. It's something that will grow with you from humble beginnings to probably expert level. So if convenience is a priority, there are probably easier options, but if flavour and interaction matter, this is really hard to beat. I am absolutely in love with the G2. I gotta say, everything I've cooked on this barbecue has come out absolutely sensational. Is this the dream barbecue? Absolutely.